FixaPro Scratch Remover review. Does it work? So over here, this product is advertised as a quick car scratch fix, but based on current complaints, look at all that, and reviewers, you should be careful, especially with things like this. It may slightly reduce or vary light surface marks, scuffs, or swirl marks, but it will not truly repair deep scratches. So you could imagine rubbing something this rough into a scratch. That's usually not gonna work. Probably just cleaning something off, but if it is an actual scratch, then that obviously shouldn't work that way. So it will probably just give missing paint, dents, or clear coat damage, and some reviews even describe it more like a polish or temporary filler than a real repair product. There is technically pros where it is easy to apply, can add a little shine, and might make minor scratches look less visible, but minor scratches, and also for a short time. Also said that in Trustpilot, it does show a very poor rating, and in most reviews as well. I can't open Trustpilot since it is not allowed. I mean, it is restricted from my country, sadly. And several reviews also warn that the advertising may exaggerate what the product can actually do. So if you don't want to risk it, then maybe you can go ahead with a product that has better reviews and is more reliable. So you couldn't really call a FixaPro a reliable scratch remover. At best, it may hide tiny marks temporarily, but it does not actually restore damaged paint. Of course, that's probably impossible with this kind of product. For real scratches, you can use a repeatable polishing compound for light clear coat marks, or get professional paint correction or body repair for deeper damage. But for this product, maybe try to avoid it if that's what you're going for. I mean, look at these reviews. But hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. So that's all.